This video shows how to reset the BYD Airbag Control Module SA3EA 3658100A-D1. What you'll need: P50 or Keymaster G3, high-power DC regulated power supply, main cable, P004 jumper, CANFD adapter, P004 adapter, BYD Airbag ECU SA3EA 3658100A-D1. Make sure to update the software to the latest version before we get started. Tap the Crash Reset software and select Airbag Reset. You can search for the ECU part number in the upper right corner to quickly find the correct option. Choose Bench, then select P004. Tap Guide and carefully read the menu description, operation introduction, and connection method. Once connected, read the ECU information to verify the airbag part number. Next, read the fault codes. There is a crash-related fault code. Select Erase Crash to proceed. Operation completed. Operate Erase DTC. Read the fault codes again. The crash-related fault code was successfully erased. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.